Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and to wrap up our pumpkin series, I'm going to be making a Thai pumpkin soup. Comes together really quickly, doesn't require that many ingredients, and it's absolutely delicious. So if you guys like pumpkin, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So in front of me, I have a big pot that I've put a couple tablespoons of coconut oil in already, and it's been heating up. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some minced garlic. Stir that around for a little bit, just so that it gets a little bit of a color. Okay, that looks good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add some broth. You can use veggie broth, chicken broth, whatever you have. This is chicken broth. It's just the cubes that I put in water. Go ahead and add that and bring that to a boil before adding anything else. All right, so now that it's boiling, I'm gonna go ahead and add in the rest of the ingredients. So this right here is some red curry paste. This is just store-bought. I didn't make it fresh, but tastes just as delicious. And then now I have some pumpkin puree. This is not the pumpkin pie, this is just plain old pumpkin puree. So this is definitely the star of the show. So add that all in. And I buy my pumpkin puree in bulk from Costco just because during this time of year, I just go through it really fast. And then I've got a can of some light coconut milk. And a little bit of salt. And now you're just gonna wait for all this to come to a boil. Oh, and some lime juice, I forgot. There you go. Mix it around and wait for it to come to a boil. All right, so that looks good. It's been boiling for about 15 minutes. Everything is nice and mixed together. If you want to thin it out, just add a little bit more of that veggie broth or whatever you're using, chicken broth, and then it'll kind of thin it out a little bit. But I like this consistency, so I'm going to leave it like this. And I'm going to go ahead and garnish it with a little bit of cilantro. You can also add a little bit of cream. If you have the coconut cream still, you can probably top it off with that as well. All right, and there you guys go. That is a super easy pumpkin soup. Took no time at all. And I'm gonna go ahead and taste test. Garnish it with a little bit more cilantro because I love cilantro. Oh, perfect. I'm gonna blow on this so I don't burn my mouth. And I'll let you guys know how it tastes. It's gonna be delicious. Oh, so good. Nice and sour, but then it's spicy because of that red curry paste. Nice and thick because of the pumpkin puree. You guys, this is delicious, and you saw how quickly it came together. Get some crunchy, hard sourdough bread, dip it in, and you got yourself a complete meal. If you guys like pumpkin recipes and everything pumpkin, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.